Hello St. Andrews School students, good morning to you all. Here is your GK teacher. I hope you all are staying home and staying safe and spending quality time with your family members. Today I am going to teach you exercise number 6, that is ocean creatures. Here in this exercise all the pics, all the photos is related to the ocean creatures. So we have to identify these photos and then write the correct answers. Now I am reading. There is a world in the ocean that contains many strange creatures. Identify these strange ocean creatures and name them with the help of the clue box. The first one is Dumbo octopus. Second, pink sea through Fantasia. Third one is crown jellyfish. Fourth is jeweled squid. The appearance of jeweled squid looks like the jewelry, so the name is jeweled squid. Fifth one is comb jelly. These hair-like projections is related to the comb, so the name is comb jelly. Sixth one is frilled shark. The tail of this shark is looking like a frill, झालर की तरह दिख रही है. So the name is frilled shark. Seventh is seafaring sea pen. One very interesting philo-fact is given here. Jellyfish have been around for more than 650 million years, which means that they outdate both dinosaurs and sharks. So here we have completed our exercise number 6. Now come to exercise number 7, that is beautiful birds. In this exercise, all the information, all the descriptions related to the birds is given here. The amazing qualities of the birds is given in the form of description. So we have to read these descriptions and then write the proper answers with the help of the clue box. Now I am reading. Birds are the most amazing animal species on the earth. Given below are the pictures of some birds. Name them with the help of the clue box. First one is, this bird is native to western China. The male bird spreads its deep orange cape which looks like a black-orange fan. And the answer is golden pheasant. Second is, this bird is found in rainforest, coastal bushes and woodland areas. It is an Australian parrot. And the answer is rainbow lorikeet. Third, this bird is found in the island of Guinea. Its feathers look like extending from beak, wings and head. And the answer is red bird of paradise. Fourth is, this bird is big and colorful with a long tail. It has a lot of tiny white feathers. It lives for up to 75 years. And the answer is scarlet macaw. Last, fifth, this bird is a tree dweller and is found in Eastern Asia. It has a green back, blue wings and tail and a grey head. And the answer is stork-billed kingfisher. Now here one very interesting amazing fact is given here. The normal body temperature of most birds is 42.2 degree Celsius. So here we have completed our unit number 1 and exercise number 7. Now come to unit number 2, that is India and the world, and exercise number 8, that is rivers of India. In this exercise, the various rivers across the India and the descriptions related to these rivers are given here. First of all, we have to read these descriptions, and with the help of the clue box, we have to write the correct spellings with the proper answers. Now I am reading. India is the country of rivers. Many rivers have some religious importance. Read the clues and name the rivers with the help of the clue box. First one is, this river flows through West Bengal in eastern India into the Bay of Bengal. And the answer is Hooghly. Next is, this is the holiest river of the Hindus and the national river of India. It originates in the Himalayas and falls into the Bay of Bengal. And the answer is Gangas. Next question, this river flows through West Bengal and Jharkhand to join the Hooghly River in Kolkata. It is the major river of northeastern India. And the answer is Damodar. Question number 4. This is the scared river of southern India and is known as Dakshina Ganga. It originates in the western Ghats and flows through Karnataka and Tamil Nadu and then falls into the Bay of Bengal. And the correct answer is Kaveri. Question number 5. This is the major river in Punjab and is known as Bipasha in Sanskrit. It flows through the states of Himachal Pradesh and Punjab, and the correct answer is Byas. One philo fact in the form of amazing fact is given here. The Gangas river basin is one of the most fertile and densely populated areas of the world. So here we have completed our exercise number 8. Now do your work in the book very neatly with a beautiful handwriting and then send the pic in the respective class group to evaluate your work. Thank you.